Hello and welcome to London Luxury Candle Supply's YouTube channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own summer garden candle. For today's candle, you are going to need 1,530 grams of S100 wax. You're also going to need 170 grams of fragrance. Today I'm going to be using Bug-Repellent. You're going to need one of our frosted extra large candle bowls, 4 wick stickums, 4 of our LCS turbo wicks. You're going to also need 6 of our wooden centering tools, some tape, and you can now download on our website one of our free templates to help you place your wicks. Right, I've now got my bowl already. I've just given it a little bit of a wipe out. And I've also headed over to the website and I've printed out one of our brand new downloadable templates. So this is going to show you exactly where you should place your wicks when you are wicking up your bowl. So you want to pop that flat like so, get your bowl, pop that over to the top. And if I show you, you should be able to see the dots straight through the glass bowl. I'm now going to get my wicks, remove the back plastic on this stickum, and I'm going to place those directly on top of the little black dots. So just like so. We've tried to make this super easy for you. So just the last one going into place now, like so. And then you will have noticed that I did tell you that you needed to have 6 of our wooden wick centering tools. Now this is because you will see one isn't going to be long enough to do all 4 sides. So you're going to need to grab a little bit of tape and just make your own extra long wick centering tool. So you can see the 3 dots. I'm just going to place that one like so. Get a little bit of tape and just secure that in place. Super easy. And then for extra ease, I'm going to show you where you're going to need to place them. So you're going to take your 2 long wooden wick centering tools and you're going to place them at the front and at the back like so. There we go. And then you're going to take the 2 smaller ones to go on either side. And if you wanted to, you could grab yourself a little peg and just secure those in place, just so they're nice and tight, and when you add your wax, they're not going to move around. So once you're happy with the positions of your wick, you can now start to very slowly add your wax. Like I've said in previous videos, the optimum temperature is going to be around 63 degrees, and then you're going to want to stir your fragrance in for about 1 to 2 minutes. So we're going to pour this nice and gently into the centre of our candle bowl and watch it start to fill up. That's it, nice and slowly. We want to avoid any air bubbles or sinkholes once the candle is set. But don't worry if you do come across a little bit of a rough texture on your wax surface, you can just use a heat gun and gently heat gun over the top. And there we go. As you can see, I've left a good centimetre from the top of the bowl so that we've got a nice ample area to cut our wicks down and let them burn. I'm now going to leave our candle to set for a good 24 hours. Now 24 hours has passed, there's been nothing else to do than to trim our wicks. Right, I'm going to go and take this bad boy out into the garden and enjoy it with a nice glass of wine.